Well, howdy tubers. Well, here's another one. Don't worry. Should be the last one for the day. Anyways, got probably 99% of the rivets in here, so here we go. That isn't a rivet, that's Spike. Isn't that right? Aren't you Spike? Are you Spike? There we go. The nut plates are in. The bottom one there for the tail wheel. That one up there for the stabilizer front mount. And that side, stabilizer front mount. And tail wheel, I bet you that's not even showing up. Let's see. How about that? Ooh, there we go. Anyways, there we go. And there we go. And there. Let's see. I can probably get on this side, but can't get where to go. Must have fell off. Well, that one's not showing up. So, got the nut plates on. Got the rudder rib on. Got solid rivets all around there. And a couple flush solid rivets there. And flush rivets, those 4 front ones on the top. And on the bottom there as well. So, I think I have to use I'll either do that with a rivet gun and a bucking bar, or just go ahead and shoot some Avex in there. I'll probably just shoot Avex in there, so I can't get the squeezer in there. But we'll see. So, anyways, before it gets too long, don't want to waste everybody's time. Now, right, Spike? Tell him, there you go, and tell him God bless you. Because God is blessing you, isn't he? He blessing you. Say, roof. Spike, say, roof. Spike, roof, roof. No? No barking? Say, well, I don't bark. I can get you to, but you're not wanting to right now, are you? Okay, anyway, there you go. God bless.